minutes. All right, here we go. 33. Number 33. Sorry, I got you guys off task. Now you hate me.
Oh, I learned so much. Like, you taught us important life lessons.
Love it. I've never done that before with any of my students ever. All right, number 33. So we're going to distribute over the parentheses, right?
Have they figured out how they're going to do the testing here?
They haven't figured it out. It's supposedly in 2 weeks we'll get resolution. All right, here we go. So, all right, we're recording, so stop saying bad stuff. All right, what is negative 6i squared?
Jenny, what?
Jesus has nothing to do with it. What's negative 6i squared? Positive 6. What else? What else? What else? What else? 86. Use a graphic calculator to perform the operations. Okay, I will just show this one done like on 86. Ready? So pull in the calculator. All right. If you were going to do the using I, distribute over parentheses. So this last problem we did was 2I parentheses. I forgot what the problem was. Negative 2I. Insert. You guys are being bad. Kids are acting like Douglas County kids. Push up. You know why I said that is because I have students that are taking college algebra right now that are watching my video. Cherry or Chaparral.
Really?
This girl literally on YouTube, I looked up your name for like finding videos, and she takes videos of you.
Sammy Kendall. All right, so if you distribute over the, she's awesome.
She's like, because you let them use their phones or something.
Is that okay? That's basically all we need to do with those.
Do kids from Shaft really watch your videos?
They do.
Because the teachers are suck, or because?
Yeah. All right. Here we go. So today, pass men. You're good. Pass men.
All right, you do number 61.
I just flipped the page. All right. Whoa. All right, ready? How would I solve this? 3x squared plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay? How would I solve that? Subtract 5. Divide by 3. Take the square root. Sound okay? So far I've heard subtract 5, divide by 3, take the square root. And if you take the square root of both sides, how many answers do you get? 2. You get a positive and a negative component, right? So, let me show you how another way you can do this problem. Showing you another way to do this problem. What do you have on either side? I got numbers. I got basically 2 equations equal to each other. I have 3x squared plus 5 equal 7. What does the line 3, or what does the equation, if I were to graph y equals 3x squared plus 5, what does it look like? Parabola, good. It opens up. Correct? What does the equation y equals 7 look like? A line. What kind of line? The horizontal line. Watch this. So, you guys had said subtract 5, divide by 3, take the square root of both sides. Yes? Let's do this. Let's do it exactly what I said. Let's clear this. Clear key history. All right. All right. If I do y equals, I'm going to turn my plot off because I don't need that on. And I'm going to clear out this equation. I'm going to graph 3x squared plus 5. And I'm going to graph it. So this is what our equation looks like. Let's do a zoom standard, which is zoom 6. So that's what this part of the equation looks like right here. Is that right? So I think I can level this down. I'm going to change my window a little bit. I'm going to change my window so I'm looking more at this graph. So do I need this information down where my arrow is right now? No. So I'm going to change the window, and maybe we'll go to -1 would be all right. And then maybe let's take it in the x direction, -7 to +7. So this is going to change the window we're looking at. So if I look at our graph, oops, moved up somewhere. Window. I did it backwards. So my x min max. I'm sorry. This should look a little better. No, still not what I want. Changing the one.
Mine did.
There we go. All right. So we have this. So I have the line y equals 7. Change that window one last time. I'm going to change the y maximum back up to 10. Okay. I'm also going to graph the line y equals 7. So we have this line that crosses right here. So at the x value is going to tell you where this is taking place. So if I went and said I wanted to calculate, so second trace, the intersection, I'm going to go y1 and y2 and hit enter. 0.86 is this solution. God bless you. Can I go to the other one? If I zoom over to this one, do the same thing. Second. Come on. Second calculated an intersection. If I bring this back over this way, it's going to find me the x component over here. So that was 0.86 on one side. I don't want to guess. And I get 0.816, a negative 0.816 on this side. So negative 0.816, negative 0.816. These are the two solutions to the problem. How do I solve this problem? You guys said subtract 5. You said divide by 3. You said take the square root. X is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2/3. Square root of 2/3 is roughly 0.816. Okay? So just a different way of looking at it. What would you do if I wanted you to solve a graph? If I had this as a graph, y is equal to, it's a calligraphy pencil, it's good enough. Parabola? So if I wanted to solve, if I wanted the solutions, not bad that calligraphy looks pretty good with the mouse. The solutions to this problem are where it crosses the x-axis. Tag it. All right. So, clear this. Clear keystrokes. Y equals. Clear. So, if I went and used the quadratic formula on that problem, I would find the solutions. The solutions are where it crosses the x-axis. So, just plugging it in. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. You graph that, and if you look like that, the two places where it crosses the x-axis are your solutions. They are your zeros. So here's your assignment for next time. Page, what's today, Thursday?
Yeah.
Pretty easy? Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk more politics.